Good evening, students. Welcome back to Dhimanshar's class. Today we are going to discuss about rational numbers. Okay, students, rational numbers will be the beginning of class 9's mathematics syllabus. Okay, so it is also an important topic to be understood. So I would recommend you all to see the video fully. Don't skip the video. See the video from the very beginning to the end. And if you like, please, I would recommend you to share this video to your friends. Let them also learn. And don't forget to press the like button and the subscribe button. Okay? And don't forget to press the bell icon also. Because whenever I post my new video, whenever I upload my new video, you will get quicker than others. So, students, let us start rational numbers. Now, what do we mean by rational numbers? Rational numbers are nothing else other than those numbers which can be, let me write down, rational numbers. Those numbers which can be written in the form of P by Q, where Q must not be equal to 0. If Q is equal to 0, if Q becomes equal to 0, then the number becomes undefined. Why? Because see, every integer, every natural number, they are also a rational. Even every whole number, I would say, even 0 is also a rational number. Why? Because 0 by 1, we can write 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is equal to, of course, 0. Whatever it is a rational number because it is in P by Q form and Q is not equal to 0. And like this, 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Like this, suppose 17 only is given. So, in the form of P by Q, we write P by Q. And Q is not equal to 0. So, it is also a rational number with 17. Okay, so therefore, all those numbers that start with 0, starts from 0 to infinity are all called as whole numbers. So all whole numbers, even natural numbers, are also called as rational numbers. Why? Because rational numbers are those numbers which can be written in the form of P by Q, and Q must not be equal to 0. Am I clear? Even I would say an integer is also a rational number. Now what do we mean by an integer? Integer means including 0 all the negative and positive numbers which are on the number line. See, this is 0 and this is all the negative and these are all the positive sides. All those numbers are called as integers, and each integer, suppose I put a minus here, then it becomes an integer. If I don't put minus sign, then also it is an integer. So all integers are also rational number. Anyhow, whatever we do, we take the example. The main thing which we have to keep in mind, what is a rational number? A number that can be represented in the form of P by Q, and Q must not be equal to 0. Such numbers are called as rational numbers. Okay, students. Now, what we are going to do now, we are going to learn about a specific type of problem where two extreme rational numbers would be given. Means the first rational number and the last rational number would be given, and we have to plot a certain given number of rational numbers in between those two extreme rational numbers. So how to do that? Let us learn about that, students. See, rational spelling would be RATIONAL, rational numbers. Now, suppose, let us take, before we start finding out the rational numbers between two extreme rational numbers, we must learn about a formula first. See, suppose, let me see, put a series of numbers, suppose 7. Then 11, then 15, 19, 23, 27 suppose. So here what you will see 7. Then 7 plus 4. Yes or no? Then 7 plus 2 into 4. Acha, let it be. 7 plus 8. Okay. Then 7 plus 12. Why? Now I am keeping the first term constant in each terms. Then 7 plus 16. Okay. Then 7 plus 20. So how do you get it? Let me show you. 7 plus 4, or this form 7 plus 4 into 0. First term 4 into 0. 4 into 1. 7 plus 4 into 2. 7 plus 4 into 3, 12. 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. 4 0s are 4 zeros are 0. 7 plus 0, 7. Okay. Then 7 plus 4 into 4. Then 7 plus 4 into 5. So if it is first term, this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term, this is fifth term, this is sixth term, and like this it will continue. So when it is first term, 4 is multiplied by 1 less. First term 1 less, 0. Second term 4 is multiplied by 1 less. If it is 2, 2 minus 1, 1. Then 4 into 2 because third term. Fourth term 4 into 3, 1 less. 4 into 4, fifth term, 1 less. Like this it continues. And one more thing we have noticed here, that 4 is constant. So therefore this 4 is called as D. That means it is the common difference. Or you can also write in this way: 7, 11, 15, 19, 23, 27. You see, 7. Okay, then 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. 15 minus 11 is equal to 4. 19 minus 15 is equal to 4. 23 minus 19 is equal to 4. 27 minus 23 is equal to 4. All that means the difference between each term is 4. Okay, so here, therefore, it will be called as common difference. We can write here 4 is called as common difference. It can be denoted as D. Clear, students? Pause the video, copy it down if you want. Find example 1. Find a rational number between 0.75 and 1.2. So this one is smaller and this one is bigger. So let x is equal to 0.75 and y is equal to 1.2. Okay. Now and another thing, how many rational numbers? A rational number means how many rational numbers we have to find? 1. So it would be denoted as number of rational numbers n is equal to 1. Now we know we have to apply certain formula in order to find the difference. If we get the difference, simply we will keep adding the difference. We will get the number in between. Yes or no? So we will require to find out the common difference. It will be y, formula is y minus x by n plus 1. So what is y here? Y is bigger. 1.2 minus x is 0.75 by n is 1 plus 1. This is the formula. We are getting the common difference through this formula. So 5 plus 5, 10 carry 1, 8 plus 4, 12 carry 1, 0.45 by 2. So 0.45 by 2 is equal to 0.22 is a 4, 2 2 is a 4, 2 5 is a 10. 0.225. Now the required rational number is equal to this common difference would be added to the first term. You will get it 0.75 plus 0.225. That means is equal to 5 plus 0, 5, 2 plus 5, 7, 2 plus 7, 9, 0.975 is the answer. And even though there are infinite rational numbers between these two, but we are asked to find out only one rational number, and that is it. You have to convert it. Of course, now it is in decimal. If some of your school teachers may tell, no, you have to convert it into rational number, means in the P by Q form. In that case, you will say is equal to 975 by 1000. Divide it by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45, 5 fives are 25, 200 again 5, 3s are 15, 9s are 45, 40 is equal to 39 by 40. Some schools may allow you to write this as the answer. Some schools will tell, no, you have to convert it into P by Q form. So, this will be the answer. Now, pause the video, copy it down. Now, students, example 2. Same, find a rational number between minus 1 and 1 by 2. One rational number. So here, x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 1 by 2. Negative is always smaller than the positive, so bigger is y, smaller is x. And n is equal to how much? How many rational numbers we are asked to find? 1. So n is equal to 1. So now we know d is equal to y minus x by n plus 1 is equal to y is 1 by 2 minus x is minus already, so minus 1 by 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to, as per rules I am doing, 2 1 plus, here it is 1 1 2s are 2 2 1s are 2 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. If there is nothing here, so let it be 2 by 1 into 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 4. Okay students, so value of D is 3 by 4. Full steps, I have not jumped any step. So I have done. Okay. Now as if I have done in such a manner as if you don't know. That is why I have done in all the steps. Now, therefore, the required rational number, as only one number is asked, so rational number, only one, will be minus 1 plus 3 by 4. Difference will be added to the first term and finished, means we get the answer. is equal to, there is nothing in the denominator, let it be 1. So 4, 1 4s are 4, minus 4, plus 4 1s are 4, 1 3s are 3, is equal to minus 1 by 4. And that is the answer. It is already in P by Q form. So we don't need to change it. This is the answer. So pause the video, copy it out. Now students, example 3. Here we have to find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 5 and 3 by 4. 2 by 5 and 3 by 4. So here it is not at all difficult. Okay, I'm giving you time, you try to do by yourself. Don't forget x, y, n. What is n? Try to remember. What is x? Try to remember. What is y? That also try to remember. Try, I'm giving you time. Yes, I hope you must have finished. So I'm starting now. Look at the board, all of you. See, first x is equal to 2 by 5 and y equals to 3 by 4. N equals to, x is equal to 2 by 5, y is equal to 3 by 4. What is it? 5 rational numbers. So 5. Okay. Now d equals to, what to do? Y minus x. Many of you students make it as x minus y. That is wrong. Y is always greater, x is always smaller. Greater, we subtract the smaller one from the greater one by n plus 1. So equals to, what is y? 3 by 4. Let's do it this way. 3 by 4 minus 2 by 5 by 5 plus 1, n is 5. So equals to 4 5s are 20. Okay, now LCM is 20. 4 5s are 20, 5 3s are 50. Minus 5 4s are 20, 4 2s are 8 by 5 plus 1, 6. There is nothing in the denominator, 1. Is equal to 15 minus 8 is 7 by 20 into 1 by 6. That comes to 7 by 120. Okay students, so we got the value of D as 7 by 120. Now you will write required rational numbers. Initially, the first 2 examples what we saw, only one rational number was to be found, so we wrote only one rational number. Now required rational numbers as, because 5 rational numbers we are asked to find. So the first one, first rational number, what you will do, simply add up 2 by 5 x plus the difference is 7 by 120 is equal to, what is the LCM of 120 and 5? Check up. 120 rough, 120 and 5, 5 and 120, 5 1s are, 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are, so LCM is equal to 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10, less than 120 itself. So it will be 120. I just shown it. I am trying to show everything. I am not skipping anything. So you also don't skip the video. Otherwise you won't be able to understand. So 5 24s are 120. 24 2s are 48. Plus 120 divided by 120, 1. 177. That is 55 by 120. So you can cancel it 11 by 24. Here 11 by 24. This you can make it like that also. You can leave 55 by 120, but again I tell you, it varies from school to school, teacher to teacher. The teacher may tell, no, you have to show the simplest form, so you convert it into the simplest form. The second one, again 2 by 5 plus, try to go back, I said second term, first gap, 1 into this one. Okay, now here 7 by 120 into 2. Why? We are going to multiply as because this is the second term. Actually, first term is this one. First term is gone. This is actually not the first term. This is the required first 6th. And then 7th will be here. Okay. So, it will be 16. So, it will be, LCM would be 5 and 60 LCM will be 60 itself. So, 5, 12 are 60, 12 is 24 plus 67. That means 31 by 60. Third required. Again I am reminding you, it is the required rational number. Third required rational number. That will be 2 by 5 plus 7 by 120 into 3. Okay. Now equals to LCM 40. LCM will be 40. Okay. Now 5 8s are 8 to the 16 plus 41s are 41 7 just 7. 23 by 40 cannot be cancelled anymore. Fourth will be again 2 by 5 plus 7 by 120 into 4 is equal to 430. LCM 30, 6 2s are 12 plus 7, 19 by 30. Then the fifth one, 2 by 5 plus 7 by 120 into 5. 5 2s are 10, 4. Now here again you students see it will be 120 LCM. 5 and 24. 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20. 5 and 24 LCM will be definitely 5. 124 LCM will be 5 into 24. 5 4s are 20, 5 and 10 are 120. As usual 120. So 5 24 are 24, 2s are 24, 2s are 48 plus 24, 5 6 are 35 is equal to 5 plus 8, 13, carry 1, 4 plus 4, 8 by 1. Okay. So, this will be the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Find 5 rational numbers. We got this rational numbers. Okay. Students, so this was the session for the day. You please, I hope you have liked it and understood it. Liking later. First, have you understood this? If you have understood, definitely you have liked it. Please, if you have liked, don't forget to press the like button and press the bell icon. Next video when I will upload, it will reach to you quicker than others. And of course, don't forget to press the subscribe button. Yes, thank you. Good night.
Thank you.